Heddi I wneud rhywbeth tebyg, fydd angen bocs cardboard arnoch chi. So today, to do something similar, we're going to need some cereal boxes or tea boxes, pizza boxes, anything from the recycling. We're also going to need a wooden spoon to burnish the paper and obtain the print. So no press today. Those were done on a press, but it doesn't matter if you don't have one. A wooden spoon works just as good. Hefyd fydd angen siswr, rubber a pensil, a mae dy fi craft knife yn hunan. So also we're going to need scissors and a pencil and rubber, and I've got a craft knife for myself to use for those little fiddly cutting out bits I can help with. And I've got an etching needle, but a compass will do the same. You just need something with a sharp point. So mae dy fi etching needle fan hyn, ond fydd cwmpawd yn iawn. A I wneud bach o dots extra, mae dy fi pattern transferer. So this is a pattern transferer tool, which will give me nice little dotted lines. Maybe you can get like a pasta cutter thing. I think there's something similar, but they're not essential. They're just because I had one to hand. The things that you probably are going to need to invest in is a roller. So you can pick one up for about £4, and I've got specific good quality relief printing ink. The more you spend on your ink, the better your print's going to be, and a pot like this is probably about £6.50, and it's easy to get. So once you've got all your materials, there's a couple of other things. I'm going to couple up with the eraill hefyd. You're going to need a soaking tray to get the paper wet. So this is just like a lasagna dish that I've got, and I've got some printing paper, but I'm also going to show you how to do it with just plain old copy paper from the printer. So hefyd, mae dy fi tray I socian a papur, a mae dy fi papur argraffu go iawn. Ond dwi'n mynd I hefyd mynd I ddangos I chi eisiau wneud gyda'r papur o'r llun copiwr. Unwaith y popeth gyda chi ger llaw, dyn ni'n barod I ddechrau. Just insert child. Mae Griff yn dod cyn bo hir, so joinwch ni yn y fideo nesaf ble fyddwn ni'n dechrau wneud. Diolch!